Hi everyone, I wanted to do a review on the Yocice shoe wall mount shoe holders. It's spelled Y-O-C-I-C-E, and they are awesome. We have these mounted in our RV for our outdoor shoes, and they fit any size shoes, even large men's ones. And we've done tennis shoes to flip-flops in them. And they're so easy to install. They have a sticky pad and then a tiny screw that you screw on top to hold them. They are very sturdy, and we use these for our outdoor shoes so they're not in the way when we go in and out the door. I'll show you for an example. Any shoe fits in here. You can also put a flip-flop in here, any which way, upside down or right side up. And they are just great. We bought them on Amazon, and the 2-pack was about $10, I believe, $9.99. So we highly recommend these, and check them out. Thanks. Bye-bye.